Hey, Ken Howard here at Manhattan Beach Toyota. I've got another hack for you today. This one is about the brake hold system. Now, the brake hold system, when activated, will put the car into a hold the brake for you when you come to a complete stop after holding the brake. To release it, when you touch the accelerator, it will release the brake so you can go. So let me show you how that works. First, you got to make sure you have your seat belt on, otherwise it will not activate. And of course, the car has to be on. Now, to activate it, we do have a button right here, and you do have to have your foot on the brake, and you're going to press the brake hold button. And then you're going to get an indicator saying that it's activated. Right there in the green says hold. Now, once we put it in drive, a second indicator comes on showing it in yellow. It means it's now holding. Now, if I release my foot from the brake, the car will not move. It's holding us still. And then once I touch the accelerator, it will release the brake and we can start moving again. That's it on the brake hold system. Feel free to leave any comments below if you have any more questions. I'm Ken Howard, Manhattan Beach Toyota.